Hey everyone, it's Weiler here. Today, I'll show you how to install mods in Marvel Rivals. First, find the game in your launcher, like Steam, and click on Find Local Files. We need the game folder. Then, open any browser and download the mod. Usually this is done through Nexus, is that right? So I go to Marvel Rivals mods, yep, just hit the first link. Alright, I'll choose the mod we need, it doesn't really matter which one. You'll need to create an account before you can download anything. Click Manual and then Download. Now we wait 5 seconds and the download starts. A zip file will download and we'll open it. And here are the files we need to move into the mods folder. Here's what they look like. For this, we need to go into the Games folder. Marvel Game, Marvel, Plugins, or specifically Content, then Packs, then Mods, and move those files there. If you don't have a Mods folder, then you'll need to create one manually by right-clicking, selecting New, then Folder, and name it Mods. There, and that's it. You can play now. That's all for today. This has been Weiler. Give a like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.